Alright, so today what we're going to do is we're going to start setting up all of the outside Halloween decorations here. And what we have is a couple of 12-foot skeletons here, just a torso for two. We had an accident last year where this guy blew over and I had to repair. And actually, part of this video is going to be talking about what you can use to repair one of these things. Now you can see all these little marks. I used what's called a plastic welder, and I'll show you how that works because I forgot to fix a part on the leg area. So this thing dropped and broke all over the place. I had to put this thing back together like a puzzle piece. It broke the entire shoulder section off, and I had to put about 100 pieces of this puzzle together. Broke here. Most of the rib cage broke all the way through the back, and I'm not sure if this is going to hold up, but it seems pretty solid, so we'll see. But in the meantime, I bought another rib cage from the Skeleton Repair Chop Shop, I guess you could call it. It was called SVI. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but SVI is where they sell spare parts for these Home Depot giants here. I also have the carriage hearse from Home Depot. I've got the hovering witch from Home Depot, and there's the broom. This guy's a vampire from Spencer's from a lot of years ago, and behind there's a homemade Jason Voorhees I made a long time ago. Here's the skeleton horse for the carriage. This is our new outside decoration for this year. This is something I've seen at Walmart, and I've seen them at other places, but our Tractor Supply had one, so I picked it up, and it's a groundbreaking mummy skeleton. It looks pretty good. It's a little flimsy. The pieces don't lock together all that good, but it'll work. I think it'll do just fine. So I'm going to start pulling the skeleton parts out, and then we're going to I'll show you how this plastic welder works, and we'll get another piece that had broken off that I hadn't seen yet back on the skeleton. So I did get this plastic welder here on Amazon. I don't think there's any better brand or any specific brand. These things are a dime a dozen. This was about $20 or $30. I can't remember now. It comes with these, we'll call them staples. And they come in different shapes and sizes for different things. Different types of brakes. But the most common one I've seen, I've used, is this one that's got like a zigzag shape. I don't know if you can see that too well, but the other thing, one thing you got to do is to fit into the two prongs, you got to kind of bend it a little bit like this, because if you don't, it just falls. Pull these apart, it'll just fall right out of this gun because it doesn't. It just friction fits in there. What you do is there's two prongs. You just set it in there. And you pull this trigger. It heats up like a heating element, and then it just sinks into the plastic, and it kind of staples the plastic shut. So this is the piece I hadn't fixed yet. It's kind of like the skeleton's tailbone, and this is the two broken parts. So I'm going to try to get this together quick. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because it's not really load bearing, and it doesn't really hold any weight like the rib cage did.
Alright, so I decided to lay them down because there was no good way to get them anywhere else. Fixing them upright, so.
Alright, so here's the repair job. As you can see, the leaves these little pieces of the staple up, which you just clip off with a pair of wire cutters. Pulling on that thing pretty good, and it's not moving at all, so this thing does the trick. Definitely some pieces missing. I did this happened last year, so I don't really know where those pieces are. That's going to be good enough since I've got a new one anyway. I think I'm going to put this one up as a decoration, and I'm going to use the other one. We do a trunk or treat, and I stick half the skeleton inside the trunk for the trunk or treat. So instead of taking this whole thing down, I'll at least have an extra to do that with. So now that the skeleton's repaired, I've got these two choices here. So this is the scary skeleton head that came out last year that I got. And this is the original 12-foot skeleton head that goes with this rib cage. But as you can see, there are color differences, and the color difference for this one is darker than this one, which I don't know if it's going to look good if I have put this one on. This is the repaired one, and I think I'm going to keep it because this has the lighting kit on it, which is easy enough to take off. But I'm going to try it, see if it works, and we'll go from there. So we will be putting the skeleton together.
Hi guys.
Alright, we're bringing the skeleton up little by little. I got a lot of help, sort of. And so the next part of this video will be us putting the rest of this guy together.
It's so heavy. Daddy, so heavy. Daddy.
Alright, got all the skeleton parts up. Now it's ready to be put together.
I have tiny hands.
Oh. Alright, so we got the skeleton up, which was what I wanted to do today. We'll see if that shoulder holds up. I put the new addition here for now. But I didn't get much further than this, just starting to get dark. My little guy's real excited about the skeleton up, so I'm gonna let him run around up here and enjoy it. So there it is. Alright, so that concludes the fixing and setting up with the skeleton. Wanted to do more today, it just didn't work out. It got dark on us kind of quick, and we had a couple things we did in between. So anyways, now you know that fixing those skeletons is a reality with a plastic welder. We'll see if the shoulder holds out. It seemed like it was flexing a little bit, but if it holds out, it'd be a success. So we get a lot of wind around here, so hopefully it works. Poor Frankie has a slow leak. We
don't know where the hole is.
We have no idea where the hole is. We've looked, we've checked. I thought I patched it, but I didn't.
There's 1,000 holes in that thing.
Yeah, there probably are a bunch of holes. This thing's from the
80s.
late 80s, early 90s maybe, and I don't know where the leak is. So we'll find it eventually. Again, this concludes our video. We still have more outside stuff to do. Wanted to do it all today, but it just didn't happen. And that's it. So
make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.